problem.
You know, you are saying something very significant, and in a way what you are saying is also that the states therefore will have no role at all in procurement. The entire supply will be centralized and then the distribution will be done by the states. Am I correct? Because earlier some states were raising a red flag. For example, why is the Prime Minister's face on vaccination certificates? Now, as you say, the centre did budget 35,000 crores. If they were to procure them all through what they budgeted, they could then take credit for the vaccines as well. Now, where does that leave the states? Will the states then again raise some kind of a red flag? Or are you very clear? The centre will procure and the states will distribute the vaccines and free for all. And the states are solely distributors. The centre is the procurer and they take the credit as a result.
I'm sorry, I don't think this is a question of states. I don't think it's a question of where the money comes. Mr. Modi is the first person when he was Chief Minister of Gujarat who asked the question to the Union government, where does this money come from? Does it fall from the sky? It comes from the states. Let's not a seasoned journalist like you should not confuse the people's money, whether collected by government A or government B, and one individual who happens to sit in an elected chair. It's coming out of his ancestral property in his pocket, right? Whose money is it? It is the people's money. Whether it is spent by the union government or the state government, it is the people's money. Let's not get really worked up about these nuances of who gets credit and all that. The people's money should be used to buy vaccines for the people in the most efficient way possible.